Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing some issues with your Snapchat, basically the notifications not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but I'll show you two main reasons on your iPhone of how to fix this. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your notification settings are set properly through your settings app. And believe it or not, this may actually end up fixing it. But before you even do that, you want to make sure you're not on Do Not Disturb mode. So as you can see right there, Do Not Disturb mode is on. So you want to make sure your Do Not Disturb mode looks like this if you actually want this method to work. In this case, I typically just keep it off. But as long as that's not the case, you want to make your way over to your settings app just like this. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down into notifications. So right here is the notifications panel. You want to go ahead and tap that. Now what you want to do is you want to first make sure your notifications are enabled and everything, but you want to scroll down until you find Snapchat, which is right here. Now you want to go ahead and click here. Now you can see my Snapchat notifications are off. I don't have any settings right now that I can toggle things or whatever because I didn't even allow notifications for this specific app. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enable this specific toggle, and this will end up fixing it. Believe it or not, this will end up fixing it for, I'm sure, 99% of people watching this. All your notifications will be enabled and everything. So you are pretty much set. Now at this point, you can go ahead and toggle exactly what type of notifications you want. So if you want, the lock screen, you can go ahead and get lock screen notifications. If you want the notification center notifications, you can toggle that. If you want the banners, click that. And sounds and badges and all these other things, you can go ahead and modify these however you want to. I just saw this Snapchat notification settings. If you toggle this, you can also see notifications that toggle within your specific app. But we'll get into that in a second. But this is pretty much your main way of basically enabling the notifications for your app. So you're pretty much set. As long as you have this on, then you're good. Now, the second way is if you have that enabled and for some reason your Snapchat notifications still are not working, well, what you need to do here is you want to make your way over to your Snapchat app, and just like so. And then what you want to do is you want to click on your profile page. You want to click on your settings page up there, and you want to scroll over into notifications, which is right here. So as you can see, there's that little notifications panel. You want to go ahead and click there. And just like how we were before, you will see a ton of different options right here. So all you really need to do at this point is to make sure all these things are basically set up to your specific notification needs. I'm pretty sure, stories from friends and all that stuff, you really probably don't need to see all those things, but you just want to make sure these settings are enabled for exactly how you wanted them to be. Now, hopping out of this one, there's another little thing. So let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit more, and there's a little bit of another thing. Under Who Can, there's Send Me Notifications. And what you want to do is you want to click on Send Me Notifications, and you want to be able to set this either to everyone or specifically to people who you want to be notified from. So if you want anyone to be able to Snapchat you and you get notified from them, then you want to click everyone. But if you only want notifications from people who are technically your friends and people who added you, then you want to change that over to My Friends. This way you won't have just a bunch of random people snapping you, or they can, but you won't get notified from them unless they're your friend or something like that. So those are pretty much the two main ways to go ahead and fix your Snapchat notifications not working. One, within the settings app of your iPhone, and second, within the settings app, basically within your Snapchat account. So if this still doesn't work, then I would probably recommend everyone to go ahead and update their Snapchat app. That tends to be an easy way to fix a lot of these problems. So those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.